wanna save ya, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them, just like going stars.
So welcome back to my channel, and yeah, welcome back to Seychelles. So I am here in my balcony. You cannot really see the ocean, but that's the ocean behind. So the sun is setting, so that's why the light is like it is. And this palm is nice as well. Alright, so the update of this week. It was actually a very successful week. I got some new insights, new revelations, new things I have discovered. So yeah, this video is also sponsored by Roots Juicery. Here I have. So yeah, Roots Juicery is a company which produces cold pressed raw, natural and super fresh juices out of supernatural ingredients. It's like completely natural. There's no artificial sugar, nothing, no water, nothing. It's everything is compressed from the plants. So the company is completely vegan, raw, and it's just I love it. I love the concept of their company and so on. So they are so kind. They actually sent me 6 of their juices, and yeah, I'm super excited to try. Let's go with the Thrive, which is spinach, celery, pusinica, apple, bilimbi, and ginger. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so let's try this one, Thrive. Okay. Oh my god, it smells so nice. If you like this kind of natural ingredients, you will fall in love with this. I love it. It's really, really nice, and you can feel that it's like so good and so good, nourishing for your body. It's amazing, and it's actually 350 milliliters, which is kind of a lot for this like a shot. It's good. It's really good. This is pure health in a bottle, guys. Really, this is pure health. Oh, mosquito is biting me. This is it. I mean, what more can your body needs? This is it. Yeah, so today I also went for an amazing training at the new gym which opened on Eden Island here in Seychelles. And yeah, I did a really good session with a very young personal trainer. Did an amazing job. We did a full body. And I will insert a few clips of what we did.
I don't wanna save ya, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them, just like go and start up something new. Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, cause some dreams are meant to be broken. What you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, 'cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, 'cause some dreams are meant to be broken.
Eight, nine, 9, 10, 9, 10. 10 on you, 10 on you. Hook. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay. Now let's how to do it first. Cool.
Now we can move on to the machine, which is
as you know me, this is kind of like very unusual for me to train in the gym setting. I usually just do in my own studio, in my own room, or anywhere else with a functional style of fitness. But it's good to explore different variety of trainings. I actually really love this kind of slow strength training because it gives me a lot of focus. But I also do a lot of, anyway, my own strength training now more and more with a slower focus than before. Before I was just doing like high intensity and going super fast, and you know, like, and you just didn't have the same, it's not the same. So, and if you actually been following me through years from my fitness evolution, you would see that now I do like a little bit different style of training, but it's still like high intensity, but it's with resistance, but it's like with more focus, intention, and you know, you really have to put your mind and into the muscle connection. You really have to create this connection. It's really, really good, even for the core, even for the upper body, lower body, whatever you're doing. Even when you're doing burpees, like, it's really important that you know, think through the process, how you're gonna place the hands down, how you're gonna, you know, lower your body down, how you're gonna jump into the squat back up and jump up. So everything has to be broken down step by step, and also to prevent injuries. So that's my training style and I love it. So the gym was really successful today. Otherwise, what's been new? Nothing. The weather is a little bit crappy, but it's normal. I like it anyway. So yeah, that's basically it. So we covered the juices, which are delicious. By the way, you have to shake them, right, before you drink them. And yeah, we covered the gym, a new possible collaboration is coming up, and yeah, that's it. So I think it's short and sweet. So yeah, so if you want to know more, oh yeah, about the juices, you can get them on their webpage. I will link down everything below. You can also, if you're on Mahe, there is an Gopi supermarket in Providence, you can get them, or of course you can order them online. So even for you tourists, if you're coming, check them out, because this is a pure sunshine, vitamin, and all natural in a bottle. I love it. All right, the big cleanup of my kitchen. Yeah, they're coming today for a spraying, and I just had to clean and, you know, took out everything. So everything is ready. So yeah, it's a big mess in my not so nice kitchen. I just really don't like the kitchen here in this place. It's ridiculous. I don't like it. And that's the result of the cleaning of my kitchen. Oh my god, it's a disaster. Yeah, so today they need to come to spray, you know, for pests and stuff, and for ants, and so I had to clear everything. It's a lot of work, and you can just see how much junk you have, and you just, yeah. But this is like Seychelles style, I would guess, this kind of kitchen, which is like, I really hate. It's just the ugliest one. You can see actually that the kitchen here is it's terrible. If I could, I would just change it completely. Even, you know, if you know a little bit about feng shui, whatever, feng shui, I say feng shui. You know that the fridge and then, you know, also the stove, they are the opposite, and they just can't. Water and the electricity or the stove, it cannot be in the opposite of each other. So it's like, I would put here where I have the stove, I would put a washing machine, or you know, like I would just make it a little bit different. And yeah, so it's, yeah, so I would just put a washing machine in the bathroom, or yeah, but we don't have a spare room, so yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's my kitchen this morning. Yoo-hoo! Wonderful. Anyway, I threw out already a lot of things from before when I was doing the cleanup, so it's not that much. It's not that mess. It just looks like completely disorganized. But then when I organize things, it looks obviously nicer. And so some things I don't use, but some things I still use, and yeah, so voila. And so if you're wondering why we need to spray for the pests or something, yeah, pests. Sorry, my English, sometimes I forget the words. Yeah, it's not my first language anyway. So yeah, we are spraying here because we have a lot of ants, a lot of also centipedes, millipedes, and it's the ground floor, and I don't know, but a lot of ants, they probably just live inside already the concrete or whatever. When they were building the house, probably it wasn't like done properly, or it's just Seychelles, it's just jungle, and we just have to, you know, maintain it like that. Yeah, usually I don't know if it's this, probably it's a little bit toxic, of course, but they come with a spray that it's probably, and so probably the spray is less toxic. Well, at least it doesn't smell bad, because they don't come with that one. Yeah, so we just have to do this. It's recommended every 3 months, but this house hasn't been sprayed for 1.5 years now, so it's really needed. And yeah, that's the part of living in a tropical climate. Well, bad news, as always, they cancelled, so I just had to put everything back into the elements, but at least it's clean. So I'm gonna come on Tuesday because something is wrong with their equipment. Ah well, that's alright. This is how it looks now. So, in this note, my sunshines, I see you in my next vlog.
I don't wanna save ya, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them. Just let go and start up something new.